Hey, I'm like an absolute comfort. We had a customer who had a bad water heater, and she said she had her furnace replaced. She had it replaced before she knew it, which was fine. The other company wouldn't do the water heater, and that's kind of all the opponent we stand to do. So they put a furnace in for her, right? That's the old one. So they charged the lady a ridiculous amount of money for this furnace that we put in a couple days ago before she knew us again. They left the old furnace sitting here and said it's your problem. That is not okay. Again, these are just things we come across and we see. It's just not okay. So while I have this thing going here, we're pumping the water heater out. This is lack of maintenance. All this sediment here on the ground, all this waste stuff is sediment, calcium buildup from not doing maintenance. We can't move the water heater because the bottom's broken out. As you see, it has a gangster lean to it. So it's again, this is why maintenance is so important, guys.